Oh, okay. Let's. All right. Okay, so the next thing I want to do, I'm gonna go to back. Nope, noble, 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 no, noble, noble. You fucking asshole. And it, down. You can lay down. I would encourage that. I think that that would be a wonderful idea. Okay. Oh, we're gonna come over here, Malcolm Horn, because of course we go all songs. No. Okay. Bring down the audio. That should hopefully. Welcome in T13. Annoy away. Hopefully my voice is not too quiet. Let's go ahead and throw my headphone in real quick and we'll come over to the stream, see if the music is over the top of my talking. Yes, thank you for telling me the battery is full. These JLab, I got these JLab Go Pops. They're pretty decent little suckers here. They're no Samsung Galaxy Buds. What am I doing? We're gonna be doing some videos for one. Yeah, the Go Pop Plus with the active noise canceling. But they're no Samsung Galaxy Buds. The yeah, I got the ones with the purple case. I've been very happy with JBLs. So I had these beautiful things. And keep in mind I am a mechanic. So, you know, they get kind of screwed up. But I was looking for them and I thought, okay, maybe I left the case in my box at work. So let me go over to the shop real quick and see if they're in my cabinet or something like that. And I get in there and they're not there. And I call Peach Rings and I'm like, baby, my headphones in the washing machine. And she goes, I just started it like 2 minutes ago. And I'm like, no. Well, okay, that's that. I guess it was good while it lasted. They are shot. I popped them open. I should have taken pictures because I could have, you know, showed them. They were completely shot, completely destroyed. Um the power management IC is just gone. The charging IC is literally like crackled, like at the top of the plastic that they put on the top of the die to like designate like what it is. That's gone. It's like it's all like cracked and shit. I was like, well, that was fun. I enjoyed these headphones. It was a good run. I need something though because I need headphones. So okay, so let's see. We're gonna adjust the music here because it's too much for me on my end. Let me know if that's good. Are we recording on multiple? I hope I'm recording on multiple tracks. I am not. Mercy. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that was a close call. Settings, output, recordings. Good. I have 1, 2, and 3 already there, so we're good there. Alrighty. So yeah. I use my buddy's Soundcore speaker at work. And for the most part, it's able to go over the top of the sound of the air compressor, whatnot, which is really nice. It's really solid. But I really enjoyed the Samsungs. I put a link, an affiliate link. There's, by the way, let me mention this. There's an affiliate link for everything I use, from those headphones to the keyboard that I use to the microphone to the headphones that I use. All in there. So if you're ever in the market for something like that, please do not hesitate to take a look at it. It gives me like all of like 5 cents, but hey, you know, support the channel. we're trying to unlock. I'm trying to unlock the Amazon affiliate thing, or partner, or whatever the heck they call it. We got to make 3 qualifying purchases within 90 days. So, anyways. Probably not going to make it, but that's okay. Not the end of the world. I'm at least putting out what products I use and what I like the most. So this way, if people are interested in it, they can actually grab it. So what we have is we have the terminal. Now, I'm not going to do a video on how I got here when it comes to the terminal. What we're using is, let's see. We're using WesTerm. So let me go in here. Show this here. We're using WesTerm as our terminal. And then back center. And then we have Fish for the back end. So the thing that we're going to be doing today, so you can see the shell is Fish. The shell that we're using is Fish, and then yeah, it's got all the fun stuff here. That's perfectly fine, T13. I am down with that. Having people watch is good. We're actually almost at our YouTube partner level. So we just got to rock out a little bit more on that watch time. No, that's just for the basic partner level, but I mean, hey, you know, we're getting to our goals. It's August. Oh, good for you, dude. I couldn't do it with everybody else. Trust me, there's no way that I can do 3,000 hours in watch time just for the first tier of partner. You guys watch my dumb ass talk all the time. All right, so this is what we did. I went with Fish and then WesTerm. I have been really happy with it because I can open up multiple windows within it. And yeah, so because I am a serial control tier, so I'm trying to change that mentality. Yeah, it's probably not going to do anything. I'm going to probably fail on that. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be working on customizing KDE itself. So that involves trying to do like transparent windows and trying to do transparency here, control those types of things, changing some of the theming. So let's try and find some options there. It's so hot, my watch is overheating me. So first things first, we want to run this command. So Kvantum is what we're going to be using. I'm going to be pulling it from the CachyOS repo. Really? Really? Come on. There we go. We'll get that installed. And Kvantum Manager is a program that handles kind of like the pre-built themings. And I think I have one that I need. Let's see. pretty sure there's one that I here. Okay, here we go. Select. We're gonna go into downloads. Okay. Nope. Come on. Extract. Downloads. Extract. There we go. There we go. Okay, and install this theme. Oh, I could have sworn that that was a Phantom theme. Okay, gotcha. Whatever. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go to store.kde.com, right? Or KDE. .org. It's .org. Okay. Come on. And what we're gonna want to do is look for. Let's see. My hardest portion, which is kind of the reason why I'm wanting to do this week's video for week 2 live, is just because there's a lot of playing around to do. We do have the blog post that we're putting together, so I've got the whole blog post, and I'm working on that, done for how to do the terminal customization. But the thing that I'm wanting to do here is just kind of do this live, because I think that's going to be the best way to really demonstrate how all of this works. And then if I can, maybe I'll be able to edit it into an actual video. So, let's see. Plasma themes. Sworn Phantom was going to be with that one. I don't know which one I looked into then. Because, yeah. See, we have this one here. Ocean. See, this is my problem. I don't want my dock up here. I want my dock down there. And I realize that we can do that. So, like, I'm more so looking at, like, kind of the theming of the windows. I don't really know what I want to do when it comes to handling this. Apple. You know, but they make them look so damn pretty. Okay. I have my problems when it comes to the whole concept of Apple. But at the same time, this is just so pretty. I don't need the Apple logo up there. We can stick with, like, the KDE, you know, Plasma type logo. But, like... But, like... I have a Mac, right? I have a MacBook that I use for certain tasks. But I don't ever use it. It's literally the things that are on top of it are a bunch of game console, like handheld stuff. The box set to Elfenlied, and then my Bible. Like those are the things that are on top of it. So obviously it kind of goes in descending order. You know, the thing that's on top I use the most. And since there's Elfenlied underneath this, then yeah. Yeah. I agree with what MD5's saying there. It's great for coding and mobile people. Yeah. Nordic KDE, like... I'm trying. I want some type of, like, inspiration. I don't really ever rice anything. Which is why I made that part of a challenge. You know? Because I don't ever rice. So I was telling myself that I have to force myself to do something. Arch Linux on VirtualBox. That is not hard. What are you running into? What's your issue? And then are you in a Windows environment, or are you in a already inside of Linux and you're using VirtualBox? T13, are you in Windows or on a Linux machine? Because Windows, it should install just no problem. There shouldn't be a single issue when it comes to Windows. Do you have virtualization enabled inside of your BIOS with your UEFI? So inside of every single person's computer, you have the show you what it does. Yeah. So what MD5 was saying may need to enable the extensions in BIOS. So in your BIOS, you have to go in and KDE. Inside of your BIOS or EFI, UEFI, on your computer, depending on which one you have, either Intel or AMD, you're going to need to turn on certain things for virtualization, and also, actually, he's over there. Or even things like hardware pass-throughs. IOMMU has to be turned on for those things to function properly, depending on manufacturer and CPU itself. So you're gonna have to, a lot of times, Google what your specific issue is. If you're having issues with having VirtualBox working, especially inside of Windows, the easiest answer is usually that you don't have VTX enabled or something similar. MD5, how's my audio? If you don't mind, sir. I feel like it got, yeah. Okay, good. Making sure we don't have Malcolm's music over the top. Malcolm Horn is a fantastic person. He goes by the name Music Man 1017 over on the Purple app or twitch.tv. I have his socials linked down in the description below this video. He makes copyright free music that actually is copyright free. And it is beautiful, and he is a lovely man that I've watched his content for years. You only hear me? Is that better now? That is very sad. There we go. Okay. So we have music. We're good. It's not too loud. I've never played Space Haven. Okay, back to the task that we're trying to accomplish here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sorry. Okay, we have KDE Suite. Okay, so my biggest problem with any of the Suite styles is I hate the logos. This I don't mind so much. I don't mind this so much. This I hate. I'm a boomer. I got that. Like, see this, that right there, my friends, that is sexy. I like that. No, see. Guys, here we go. We got this. Look at that. Look at that. That's what we're doing. We're doing Windows 11 themed. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, okay, wait. Windows 11 theme. The rest here is slacking. I'm thinking we're gonna do the Apple design here. So how do we install this? OCS install. What's this? I gotta do some adjustment here though, because it makes it I I I gotta get the terminal to where it opens up right, but then also I gotta find out how to we'll play with that actually. Find out how to make this smaller text, because I'm not a blind old man. Yeah, I can get a yes, I can. Currently my friend here is down. The other one um the other iPad doesn't work anymore. But this iPad has a broken screen. It also has the wrong color home button because it had a screen replacement. And you can't. There you go. See, shattered screen. It's like $65 for me to get it. I'm waiting. At work, we have a bonus system, and so I should be hitting my bonus. So I'm gonna use some, yeah. Control. Oh, that made the window small. Oh. You're a beautiful, beautiful person, MD5. Oh, that. I love that. Okay. I didn't know that. I'm going to definitely take that information, put it inside of a blog post, pretend like I've known it the whole time. You cannot perform this operation unless you are root. Ah, why don't they put the sudo command in? I understand why they don't, but there we go. Control Shift V. Okay, so does that then make it to where I can click install? Yeah, but that's extra steps that I could easily do. All right, click on the download. Okay. Oh, I didn't read. I did the thing that you shouldn't do. I did the thing that you shouldn't do. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. You should probably read the instructions and understand what you're doing. All right, so oh. Come on, open up the daggone folder. No, you bastard. Okay. And it's during the installation process. Are you downloading it from VirtualBox's, the Oracle VirtualBox website? There we go. All right, so drag and drop this. Hello. Oh. Okay, we need to make some changes to this. Oh. Oh, I do not like this terminal now. What if we do? Okay, that was a little too broad of a search. Grab that from AUR. Okay. Loading packages missing metadata. Sorry, I'm reading chat here. MD5, dude, you should channel yourself. I can lay down and not be, content creator here. So much freaking knowledge. Hey. All right, there we go. All right, so where do we go from there? Read me area. Really, the README is just Apple theme plasma. Oh, okay, so here we go. How to install the... Okay, so did I install it wrong? Because it's saying that it should be there. Pass the file to the OSC binary. Listen, MD5, you've been around long enough to know that I am not stupid, but I'm completely an idiot. And we're definitely every time I go every time I go live, we go into something that I have zero knowledge in. I just get to look like a moron the whole time. Surprised I actually get subscribers while I sit here and break crap all the time. Outdated. Ignore that, outdated. Okay, so then that's not how. But this information is outdated. Okay. Let's see what we got here. It says to just reopen the theme control panel. Okay, so I'm going to close the theme control panel, and then we're going to go back here and go back to themes. Plasma style. Well, colors. We definitely want colors to... Real quick. I should have this memorized by now, but I don't. There we go. Apply. All right, now I'm happy. How the fuck do you set it up? It says I need to install Windows on the VM, and I didn't have the product key. What the... How did I fuck up? Am I crazy? Why are you installing Windows? Wait. I'm trying to figure out why T13's... I thought we were doing Arch. What did I miss? Am I misremembering because I've been playing with stuff? Okay. Real quick. Okay, sudo pacman -s virtual box. Okay, and then we're gonna do gonna be option 2, host modules. No, we need the DKMS. Okay. Watching on my phone while I go smoke a J. Okay. Okay. So, we're going to go to archlinux.org real quick. We're going to go to downloads. And because everybody got mad that I use torrenting, we're just going to go ahead and use the United States and kernel.org. There it is. Download the most recent ISO. Here we go. All right. Download that, and it's going to take the next 25 hours. Okay, and terminal. Here we go. Right? Yep. Sweet. Okay. So now we're going to go here. Virtual box. All right. We're in our screen that, wait. Okay. Let me know what you need here. Let me know what you need here, T13. I'm with you. Okay. So we're going to click the new button. I'm going to type in Arch, right? Arch 64. We'll go ahead and select our ISO, which we just downloaded. All right, downloads. I'm going to go into the zoom view for you. What is wrong with you? Downloads. Arch. Open. Okay. Anyways. Whoop. I don't know. Actually, I don't need that. Where'd the other thing go that I need? There we go. Throw that there. We'll throw this here. We'll throw this here. Pre-allocating the disk. Oh. Click next. We're going to go ahead and set our memory. I've got 32 gigs in this machine, so I'm going to go ahead and use 10 gigs, and we're going to set it to have 4 CPU cores. Enable EFI special OSs only is what you're going to want to do there. Yep, so we're here with CPU and base RAM. You can do 8 gigs, you can do 4 gigs. It doesn't really matter. I like to do roughly between 8 and 10 gigs. Okay. Create virtual disk. I'm going to go ahead and give it 32 gigs to work with. We're not going to pre-allocate full size. This way it slowly expands. Right? So then that's it. Now this is probably going to fail because I don't have other things set up. So we're going to go ahead and click start, and it's going to panic the hell out because I fresh install. I don't have a bunch of other stuff set up. But that should get you where you need to be at the start. Okay, so back to the thing I was at. It's almost done, though? It's almost done installing Arch, or... What do you mean it's almost done? Nothing's gonna blow up. You're fine. Oh boy. Okay, so once you're done, okay, so if we go off in VirtualBox, if you come over here once you're done and you right click it and go into settings. There it is, settings. And then we go to system. You can give it more RAM later. And then you go to processors. You can give it more processing. So Fun fact, if you decide that you want to play with Pico OS, you're also going to have it on the special OS's option as well. Anything that's going to use CachyOS kernel is going to need that. So if you're like doing like Endeavor OS, hey, look, we're on the Endeavor website. If you're doing things like Endeavor OS and you have installed the CachyOS kernel, stuff like that, because that's kind of a popular thing to do. Yeah. Yes, it's not hot swap. Yeah. No. So what he means by that is if you suspend it and then you start again, it'll crash it because it's not going to be able to allocate to the EFI settings in that virtual machine everything that you need. So okay, back to my panic attack. How the hell do I accomplish this? Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and install the tarball of something else because this sounded like fun, but I think we have an issue. Well, no, let's go ahead and download it. We're going to re-download. Invalid or corrupt package. So there's got to be something wrong with this package. Well, now I'm at the point where I want to have something that's got Apple theme. Now I want something that's, you know, last changelog was a year ago. Okay. 1 day ago. 1 year ago? Updated 1 day ago. Added 3 years. Okay. It should be fine then. I am panic. Okay, what do you got? What do you got? Yeah, probably no virtualization. Yeah. There. Here's your FS tab. There's no there's no public IP in it if you're trying to get that, or are you just trying to see what I got here? Let's see. We are currently on CachyOS Boar. Let's see, we're using Fish. We've got AMZ Ryzen, Radeon Discrete, 6800, 32 gigs of RAM. All right. Failed to adopt. Oh, Chimmy Christmas. Wow, that went freaking fast. Okay. Oh, that's almost headache inducing though. Okay. Well. Okay, so that worked. Okay. Don't try this theme. Use nothing theme to get that Mac OS desktop. All right, let's see what you got. I don't know. We're playing with themes. What do we got here? Got 4 out of Where's the theme for Temple OS? Oh Lord, have mercy. Oh Lord. Oh, see, that's so much better. There's that. Okay, okay. So now how do we get that dock? I don't want to use Zorian. I listen here, Google. I hate having a dock style thing, but I'm willing to do it for the fact of screw it, we're gonna do it, even though I hate it. Like that is one of my biggest gripes about GNOME. is that freaking we're gonna do it. Oh, dock. Latte dock. Shows Orphaned. Be outdated information, my guy. Orphaned. (2023) video. Switch to Gnome. Like these comments, like that's completely like that's pointless. It's useless freaking comments. Why'd you waste the energy? Like you burnt calories to type that. And come on. That is ugly. Okay, I guess we're going with Latte Doc. T13, how did you? Better be written in Rust. I mean, if you want to rewrite one in Rust, go for it, MD5. You know I'll happily use it. Error. Updated version. It'll error and build the boarding. Yeah, okay. Okay, so Latte Doc is gone. Oh. Yeah. It's been, yeah. It's been deprecated out. Yeah. Let's see. No. So I use XFCE for a long time, and Plasma just really got me. How's it going, Sushi? Plasma really got my attention because I liked how clean it was. The reason why I'm modifying it, and trying to play with this whole concept is because it's part of the 90-day challenge. I can't stay in comfort level, right? So I'm not allowed. So like I love how KDE looks off the rip, the way it was designed. I think it's beautiful. I think it's well done. I'm not allowed to stay that way though. So even if I go to XFCE, I'm not allowed to stay in XFCE, you know, yeah. Let's see. It's actually different YouTube. What? Who's losing what? Oh, Arch. No, I'm just trying to figure out like what dock. Like how do we like okay, so show panel configuration. Oh, for the love of Christ. We lost it, boys. Oh no. See, that's one issue that I run into with KDE. I can get my terminal. Will it let me go back to stuff? Can't click on anything. Now I can click on the web browser. Shit. So yeah, I can't right click that now. But I can't click anything. Let's see. See. Where is it at? I know there's a there we go. Okay. Oh. Sudo, do I have to run? No, QBus. Let's see. I don't know, I'm gonna need my session ID. Okay, where do I find? Well, we'll find out if this stream ends abruptly and are we still there? Are we still here? Are we still here? I think we're still here. All right. Nope, didn't kill the internet. Didn't kill the internet. I restarted the computer. So show panel configuration. Hey, okay, look at that. See, now we're good. Oh. You can change it to adaptive? No. Adaptive. Oh, that's opacity. Position. Okay, that doesn't Ah, build content. Well, that's terrifying. Setting. All right. Okay, exit mode. Okay, well that put that there. I put that there. So, what do we do with it from here? Oh, here's my question. If we go and put Steam, can we pin Steam to, oh shit, what did I do? Oh, games. We pull up games. Can we pin it somehow? Bastard, you fuck. You asshole. Pin to taskbar. Okay. Then we go off and pin to taskbar. And pin to taskbar. So if I then go here and exit Steam. Okay, so Steam's still there. Okay. So there you go. Here we go. No Tsushimi. This is Malcolm Horn. I've been watching Malcolm Horn for, I think, 3 years now. He makes fantastic copyright-free music on YouTube that doesn't get flagged. Yeah. Yeah, so click dodge windows. Well, here's the thing that I need is, can we show without, okay, look at that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to clone this panel. I'm going to clone this panel up there. So this way it's there. Can I clone this? Show panel configuration. We're going to clone this panel. We're going to put it up there. Because here's the thing is that okay, so now come back down to this panel. And you said dodge windows. Position. Nope, not what I want. Set. Oh, no. Loading visibility. Dodge windows. Okay. Exit. Awesome. Hey, there we go. Okay. Got anti-anxiety meds? What do you mean you are a YouTuber? That was a YouTuber way to say that. All right, I'm liking this. Now, here's the next thing that I want is, we go here, system. How do we get, like, the glassy look? 7 theme mimic Windows 7. Can I run multiple themes at the same time? Okay, okay, so um okay, so oh, because I wouldn't select for it to do that with the Windows, I would just do that. Okay. 7 theme. Right, you said 7. Okay, that's what you mean. Okay, I did that. I did that wrong. Appearance settings apply. Oh, I do not like that. I like this. Kind of. No, I hate everything about it. I hate everything about this. No. Uh-uh. Uh. Ending. What widgets do we have? Never played with the widget. Okay, anyways. Exit edit mode, because I'm going to break something there. So I shut down the VM and shut down the browser killer. What should I do? But next, I'm bored. You already installed Arch? And you got bored? Utterly Nord. Let me take a look at that. Solid. Let's see what we get here then. Oh. Why not? Why not do the Arch thing? Or better yet, go play with like Pico OS or something. Oh, are you let's see. Oh hell no. That's patch. Loho. Did we just go all Chinese? What bad decision are you making at 3 a.m.? North Korean? does that? No, it doesn't persist. Not that I wanted to persist, but yeah. Did I not install Nord? Is it already 3 a.m.? It's 2:55. Not 3 a.m. Install. Error occurred. I'm so upset. It says that it's broke. It was, yeah. Come on, install, damn it. These streams are always chaotic in their own way. What just made a bump sound? Okay, okay. Is it there? It's there. Okay. Apply appearance. Ooh. Oh, but we don't have the glassy look. Okay. But I want the glassy Menu. Wait, no, what have I... Click. Okay, here we go. Go alternative. With application launcher? Okay, so how do we get... We're at 8 likes. Sorry, dude. Okay, okay. Let me pull up Discord because I had to restart, so none of that stuff's up. Give me a second. Oh, for the love of Pete, I really have to get rid of that stupid freaking... Okay. Joineth me on this anxiety journey. Then it's conversations. My grub got hacked. That's freaking funny. Yeah. Okay, back up this. Apparently I missed a message from Pandora. I feel horrible about that. Okay. So how do we get... Second, working on a few things here. Sorry, I gotta post the thing this morning. There we go, guys. 29:34. Hell yeah. Okay, back to the live stream. We're good. We're good. Do I just do... Oh, you know what you No. We are in KDE. Okay. We are in KDE. We're gonna do it live, damn it. Okay, so Okay, so open system settings and go to work. Okay. Background translucency, and background contrast. Apply. Okay. Oh, that's cool. I can see that getting old fast. Ravish. Blur. Nope, I don't like that. Oh, look at that. Okay, so that's cool. Control shift. Oh, meta shift. F12. Oh, wait. Oops. Nope, nope. Cancel. Nope. Oh. Okay, anyways. I didn't get that to work and I don't care enough. Okay, track mouse. Yeah, we need to go back and undo that. I forgot that I did that. The heck. Let's see. Discard no stranger to breaking stuff law. Looks good. Let's see. I'm also in this challenge running mint cinnamon for Ravish. Dude, what did we talk about self-mutilation and self-harm? Like, come on, man. What are you saying? Oh, by the way, too, there, Sushi. Did you guys miss the Rosie the Riveter picture? I think that was missed. Let's see. Did we ever get the Rosie the Riveter picture put in? We did. So you guys know who Rosie the Riveter is, right? Rosie the Riveter. Well, we did Moiety the Riveter. I got the arm wrong. It's supposed to be that, not anyways. That is the size of my thigh. I guess. I don't know. Oh. Most fittest American? I would say not. There's too much jiggle going on here. Yeah, that's in the Discord. Okay, wait. So, is it possible? Okay, so we need settings. Pinned to taskbar. Okay. And I move that over. Sweet. And then OBS. Okay. So this thing says desktop FS. Yeah, it doesn't have a blur thing. It doesn't have like a setting option. Okay, we're gonna get rid of the fall apart. That was cute for a little while. Nice. Very nice. I'm just down to extra large now. Like, this is an extra large. Shimi Christmas. Man, Sushi's been rocking it out. Sushi's a big boy. So. I'll be right back. I need some water. Right back, guys. Okay. So. He's sniffing toast again. You need to stir your crock pot soup or you need to stir it? Which one? Stop. Stop that. Been on low since 6 a.m. Stop that. Out. Get out. Fuck it. Fucking cats. Ah. Go. Hey, we're back now. Wow. So much time probably spent in the Zoom mode. Okay. Anyways. Yeah, I'll have to do a little bit more playing around with this, make it more transparent, stuff like that. But I'm liking where we're at. I mean, you know. Oh, that's right. We're still on this. Desktop wallpaper. There we go. Also, let's go over here. Go panel configuration. Oh, thank God. Okay. And we're just going to make this a little bit larger. Yeah, there we go. So now it should get out of the way. I like how it's transparent there. My problem is this. Why isn't this going transparent? Is there a way to see this drop down is? I wonder if we can adjust this icon ourselves here. I really like the Boar Scheduler. I'm a massive fan of the Boar Scheduler. Oh, Lord. Where did it go? I installed 2 of them. I don't know. Okay. There you go. There you go, Sushi. You got your 10 likes. Go install Red Star OS. So Sushi had said that he would install Red Star OS if this stream got 10 likes. Look at this Moity. See. This, I just need this to... Give him to Kim Jong. Kim Jong's dead. Oh, there's 11 likes. See, dude, I'll go like the stream. No, we get 12. Liking my own stream, that'd be cringe. Okay, show panel configuration. We up it by. Oh wow, I got a little too. Exit edit mode. Yeah. Global theme. Okay, so this stays to where that does that while we're moving. I'd like it to be like this all of the time. I think that's kind of nice. I had a long ass day today too. I wound up waking up. I passed out on the floor here at like 3 a.m. Woke up at like 3 or 3.5 hours later with a text from my manager asking if I could come in today, which was yesterday, on my day off, of all things, be in the shop. So this way, because the mechanics that were on shift got sent off to handle a 11 tire replacement. Yeah. On the side of the road. Dude had driven over a box of bolts and they were in every tire. Yeah. Bad. Real bad. So on my day off, I was then awake during the time that I should have gone back to sleep and slept for the next like 8 to 10 hours. Because when you sleep during the day and you work at night, you don't get as good of sleep during the day as you do overnight. Thank the Lord I'm moving shifts. It was bad. I'm ready to be free from that. Okay. This is what we're gonna do. Okay, we're gonna go here to Gemini. This is what we're gonna do. This is my default. My mic. Oh, this is gonna be loud. Oh, there's nothing on my mic. It's on. And now it's not there. Okay. Sorry to all of you that, hate AI. But I'm in the Markiplier camp. I'm gonna use it. That's a way deeper conversation. Okay. I am using Arch with ADE Plasma 6. I have a theme installed that has transparency, but it is not making the menus and windows transparent. I would menus windows and dock parent. How do I fix that? We're gonna do this. Okay, it doesn't. There is no configure button. If I go in here and do desktop effects, desktop configure. No. Effects. And I go to this blur out. What the hell? Okay, that's a bit too translucent. But here's the question, does that affect my games too? Inactive windows. Okay. Oh, Lord. Oh, I just looked up at the chat. Oh. Oh. Transparency. Alright, so that should be enough. But how will I hide my corn? Oh, I'm kidding. Moving window. I'll turn this back up. So how is this an inactive window? I don't think so. Set everything back to that. Let's see, transparency, blur, background contrast. Wait, what have we apply? Okay, so then I think what we have to do then in that scenario, go back over here to quick settings, global theme, apply. Actually, across the board. Let's apply across the board. No, that's not it. Okay. Enter edit more. In the panel that appears, look for more options button. Okay, so opaque, translucent. Okay, opacity. Adaptive, translucent. Exit edit mode. I don't know if that did that. I'm so at a loss. Okay, I'm gonna keep playing with this, but we've been streaming for several hours. Somebody took away their like on the video. How dare I do that? It was probably Sushi. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm sure I broke some stuff, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for hanging out with me and playing around. But this has been several hours, so I need to go off and do something else away from a computer. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't be afraid to dive under the rift. And yeah, give Malcolm Horn some love and attention. Nobody is live that I have a shared follow with. So, yeah. All right.